So the plan is that over the next 8 weeks, I'm going to do a micro version of my effective listening workshop. That's good. And each week, I'm going to do a short 3-minute video with some follow-up questions to help raise awareness of listening techniques and help people to become more effective listeners. And I was wondering if you'd be interested in following it. Yeah. You're not listening, are you? Great. He's not listening. Absolutely. See what I mean? But it's not really surprising, is it? Because although we regularly get trained on presentation skills, sales pitching, public speaking, very few of us get proper training on how to be an effective listener. And it's a pity, because it doesn't matter whether you're in sales or customer services, team building or leadership. You can't do your job effectively if you're not listening effectively. And so as it's day 65 now of our coronavirus lockdown here in Barcelona, and to be honest, I'm not getting out as much as I would like to, I thought it would be a nice idea to give a short mini taster, a micro version of my effective listening workshop to help raise awareness or to help remind people of the important parts of being an effective listener and maybe help you sharpen your effective listening skills. So as this is the first week, here is your first challenge, if you choose to accept it. Pay attention to how well other people listen to you. It's really simple. Just spend the next 7 days focusing a little bit more on how other people listen to you. Do you think they're good listeners or bad listeners? In fact, I'd like you to grade them. Excellent, good, average, poor, and terrible. Now, I'm not going to give you a criteria to do that grading. I'd just like you to use your own ideas. In your opinion, what is it that makes a good listener a good listener? Or what makes the bad listeners in your life bad listeners? And keep that information because you're probably going to be needing it for next week. So please, if you'd like to sharpen your effective listening skills, then join me, Ian Gibbs, next week for my effective listening mini workshop. Thank you very much. You're still not listening, are you? Absolutely.